Hello, welcome back to Learn Station. Today, we are going to train your English. Not fast, not difficult. Just calm, clear, confident English. Take a slow breath in and breathe out. Good. Let's begin. We start with greetings. Listen carefully first. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Now repeat after me. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Again, slower. Good morning. Good evening. Excellent. Now introductions. Listen first. My name is Daniel. I am Daniel. My name is Daniel. I am Daniel. Now you. My name is. Pause. Say your name. Very good. Again. My name is. Excellent. Now the question. What is your name? Listen carefully. What is your name? Repeat slowly. What is your name? Again. What is your name? Perfect. Now a full conversation. Listen only. Hello, hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? I am good. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Now repeat with me. Hello, hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? I am good. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Now again, slower. Hello, how are you? I am fine. Very good. Take a breath. Relax your voice. Confidence grows when you repeat. Now daily sentences. I am happy. I am tired. I am busy. I am ready. I am learning English. Again, I am learning English. Again, slower. I am learning English. Excellent. Now pronunciation training. Ready. Learning. Practice. Confidence. Improve. Speak clearly. Open your mouth. Slow down. Again. Practice. Confidence. Improve. Now daily routine English. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I drink coffee. I go to work. I come home. I study English at night. Again, slower. I study English every day. Very good. Now listen carefully. English is a skill. Skills grow with repetition, not with speed, but with patience. 5 minutes every day is powerful. Small progress every single day creates big results. Take a breath in and out. Say this with me. I am confident. I am improving. I am not afraid. Again, I am improving every day. Excellent. Final review. Hello. Good morning. What is your name? My name is. I am ready. I am learning English. I am confident. Very good. You did an excellent job today. Be proud of yourself. Come back tomorrow. Practice again. Slowly, calmly, confidently, and I will see you in the next lesson.